Welcome back. This is Chile Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where I talk about my top stocks. We also talk about cryptocurrency from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. So today was a good day in the stock market. We had a lot of stocks rally. Also, we had Ethereum rally. Just a quick look back. I just did my portfolio. I just was reviewing, and some of my top stocks over the last 5 years have been Tesla, SoFi, Palantir, and Advanced Micro Devices, NVIDIA, and Amazon. Okay, so those have been some hot stocks over the last 5 years. All of them have been up 100% plus, whether it's 100%, 200%, or 800% like Palantir. Portfolio has been gaining momentum over the last 5 years. All right. The top stock today is SoFi. SoFi Technologies was up 6.37% for a gain of $586. Palantir Technologies came in second, a little over 2.2%, and Delta Airlines up as much as 9%. So those were my top stocks today, my portfolio, and now we'll go over to the Robinhood. Okay, here we are in the Robinhood, and looks like the portfolio was up as much as 2.55%. Okay, so it was a gain of a little over $100. And one of the top gainers today was Ethereum. Okay, here it is. Ethereum coin was up 7.60% in my Robinhood portfolio. Again, this is a hot crypto as there's more and more ETFs being generated with lots of inflows. Ethereum was up as much as 7.60. Also, if you're correlating this, check out a crypto stock called Bitminer. Bitminer are okay, so keep your eye on Bitmine Immersion Technologies. Again, it is up 9.92%. And what this company actually does is it uses Ethereum. It buys Ethereum day over day, month over month. And so right now, Bitmine Immersion Technologies is buying into Ethereum. So this is part of the rally with Ethereum going up. Bitmine is going up because they are buying into Ethereum. Okay, it's almost like another market strategy company where the companies is buying crypto. All right, so they are up 96% over the past week, and on the day they are up a little over 5.53%. All right, and next I wanted to talk about SoundHound. SoundHound shares were up today about 0.5%. Well, if we look at the week, they're up a little over 43%. So SoundHound is one of my hot stocks. If you watch my channel, you'll know that SoundHound is a hot stock over the last week. Just check out my community tab. Okay, here it is. SoundHound on Monday was up as much as 15% for a gain of 110 in my portfolio. But again, SoundHound is artificial intelligence. So when you go to Papa John's, or even when you're talking on the phone to pay a bill, that could be SoundHound in the back. Also, SoundHound is working with multiple audio companies, cars companies. So there may be a point in future where you're using SoundHound in your vehicle. Okay, so SoundHound shares were up as much as 15% yesterday. And again, on Friday, they were up as much as 10% as well there too. Let's take a quick look back. Okay. All right, so SoundHound shares looks like the other day were up is, let's see, SoundHound shares, yeah. Okay, so on Friday, SoundHound shares were up as much as 27%. Again, SoundHound shares are hot. 8 o'clock. If you look at SoundHound shares are up, as I said, up as much as 40% over the last week. Again, this was Friday. They were up 27%, and on a this is Thursday, and then on Friday we're up 11%, and again on Monday they were up as much as 11%. Okay, so SoundHound, one of the hottest stocks over the last week, up 40%. And lastly, we'll go over to my swap account. Okay, so take a look at my swap account today. top stock is SoFi. SoFi was up 5%, as we mentioned earlier. Palantir Technologies up 2.34%, and Advanced Micro Device up 1.5%. And CoreWeave shares were up as much as 7.2% going into earnings. But after the earnings call, the shares did drop. So if we look at CoreWeave shares were up as much as 7% during the day. But as we see after hours, the earnings call was not as hot as Wall Street expected. And so shares dropped as much as 10%. Now we know CoreWeave is part of the data center infrastructure build out. So this is more like long-term. Basically, CoreWeave came hot out the gate. But, you know, again, this company has only had one earnings call. And so that it's basically only been on the market after 2 quarters. Okay. So CoreWeave shares dropped in after hours over 10%. This could be an opportunity for you again. All right. And lastly, Oklo shares were up today as much as 9.2%. Again, this is a hot stock. If we look at the last month, Oklo shares been up as much as 25%. And again, this is a company that a year ago was trading at $5 per share, but they are part of the AI data strategy for data centers, power, nuclear power. Again, they built small reactors. And again, they were up slightly today, 9%. Okay, so those were some hot stocks. Again, just wanted to show you about SoundHound and Oklo. All those stocks doing well. Ethereum, since I posted on Sunday, up to 4,700 and 4,300. And again, the top stock of the day is SoFi. SoFi shares up as much as 6.37%. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.